Tiny Good Habits by Sissa Creates. Tiny wakes up early with a big smile. She drinks a glass of water. She brushes her teeth so they stay shiny. Tiny tidies up her toys and keeps her room neat. She studies and does her homework. Tiny eats healthy food that makes her strong. She exercises every day to stay active and happy. Tiny loves reading books every day. She helps Mom and Dad whenever she can. Tiny says thank you and is always kind. Tiny sleeps on time to wake up fresh tomorrow. Tiny good habits make every day amazing for a bright future tomorrow. Like and subscribe.